So a bit more done today. So we've now got the alpine bed ready with the rusted effect corrugated metal. Planting a palm that was left and put the corrugated metal around there. And then in this bed we've also got corrugated metal around the edge of the planting. And then this is going to be a gravel bed, pea shingle around the patio, and a nice gravel walkway up to the seating area. Coming on lovely. So a bit more of an update, just waiting for the shingle to arrive for the patio, and then I'll do the shingle, put the I think it's a yucca, but put that in, that flower will straighten up. Fuchsia that I got lying around, I've got some perennials to go in, but I'm leaving them in pots for the time being. For this side we've got the cordyline, and we've got some perennials now put in just to start us off, and they'll get established and should fill out. So we're starting to take shape, looking lovely. Right, time to start putting some of these pea shingle into the gaps of the patio. So let's crack on. So that's the shingle put between the paving slabs, give it some stability and make it look nice. Just got to do the edges and the back. Looking very good. Just swing around here where the bench will go. And then just put some shingle around that, give it a bit of stability, just make it look nice. Then we've got the bigger shingle to put on the path. That'll be a job for another day. But yeah, bit more progress. Looking good.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe by clicking the subscribe button. And please feel free to leave your comments and feedback below. I'd love to hear from you, so don't be shy, and of course I'll reply. See you soon.